We should never do that. It is something that we have to speak about, because we are losing our faith in Allah. My brothers, my sisters, it is Allah alone who controls your destiny. Those people do not control their own destiny. There was a brother who was at one of the airports, and he was with his wife. A certain man came to him and told him, I will tell you your future for $75. And he said, I'm not interested, I'm a believer. He continued to walk with him. He says, I'll tell you your future for $70. He says, I am not interested, I'm a believer. He says, he continued to walk with him until he got to $5. Until he got to $5. Subhanallah. May Allah Almighty grant us strength. My brothers, my sisters, at that juncture, the man sat next to these people and told him, you will die at the age of 70. You will die at the age of 70. Later on, he says, I am waiting for my $5. I am waiting for my $5. This brother who is a believer in Allah told him, my beloved brother, I want to tell you, if you don't even know that I'm not going to give you the $5, how would you know the future of the 70 years? Subhanallah. How would you know? I'm not even going to give you $5. And if you knew the future so well, why would you be sitting begging from people for $50 and $70? Subhanallah. The moral is, my beloved brothers, my sisters, turn to Allah. Build a good relation with Him. Read your Quran every day. Ayatul Kursi is powerful. It will protect you from anyone trying to cast a spell against you. It will protect you from anyone trying to harm you. Listen to the dua of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. He used to say, Bismillah, in the name of Allah. Alladhi la yadurru ma'asmihi shay'un fil ardi wala fis sama'i wa huwa as-sami'ul alim. In the name of Allah, by whose name nothing will harm on earth, nor in the skies, and He is the all-hearing, all-knowing. Repeat that dua on a daily basis. Nothing will harm you. You require one condition, your faith and conviction. I am convinced. What will harm me? Nothing. Zero. I belong to Allah. Do what you want. May Allah protect all of us.